We are about to get started on the watering system. We may run into a little bit of weather, but we're gonna try to beat it, at least get the gutter up, and then we can work on the actual trash can that's gonna hold the water and getting all those pieces fitted. That piece goes on top.
We already knew that. We didn't know that. Nice.
Perfect.
And that actually has a little piece of like rubber gasketing material in there.
Keep the water tight.
So that should actually work pretty well. These are the little hidden hanger things. We only got 2. We don't have to deal with any snow or anything like that, so 2 is going to work just fine for us. And we're just going to attach them to the outside of the joist struts.
Whatever they are
Things.
for a tiny little hen house. On the lower side, of course. Here. This is the Golden Girl crew. 2 Isa Browns, 2 Golden Comets, and 4 Prairie Bluebell Eggers, which they just look like Easter eggers to me, but they're supposed to have blue eggs.
Oh, this on the outside. Okay, here we go.
Keep in mind, we are definitely professionals.
Yes.
We've done this 100 times.
It's not our first rodeo.
It is.
So then we
It is our first rodeo.
could hang them and then slide them on. Any objections to here and here?
That works for me.
Handle the gutter. We don't want our gutter to be above our roof.
So we got that in. He is going to put this, I think it's a 3x4 downspout piece. I'm going to drill the hole, and then that's where our water will come down.
Alright, we'll try and slide this guy in and then put the end cap on. And then this is what's going to attach to that little downspout piece. Ta-da! Something like that.
Yeah.
You just have to screw it in.
So our gutter is installed, our downspout is installed, and now we just need to situate our trash can to be our rain barrel. So we're trying to decide exactly where we want to put the placement of the PVC pipes for the spout that's going to go into the coop, and our drainage and just other. We bought this time, we got 2 shut-off valves, so we have one going to the coop and then one coming out. So if we need water in the garden, what have you, we can do that. And then you will also have your overflow so that we don't get any standing water on top of the barrel if it gets that full. I think if we're using, well, do you want to use the flat side?
For inside the coop?
Well, it'll be in and out. So if this goes this way, we'll have that flat side going into the coop, and then we'll have the other side going out for our other shut-off valve.
That'll work.
What you got in your hand?
This is a little repair coupling thing. On the other watering system, we put in basically a way that we can detach. What was that?
I don't know, somebody's moving around there.
So we could detach the barrel from the pipes. We've used it, well, maybe 3 or 4 times. It's just handy, that way you don't have to cut the PVC. We are gluing all of this eventually. So once it's glued, it's not coming apart.
Take it off and clean it out if we need to.
Or
repair something.
Or get the dirt out, the poop out, all that good stuff. So that's what this is going to be. And it looks like it's going to go probably somewhere like this.
Yeah, I think so.
And then,
Another change we have from our other watering system, we got thicker foam, and we're going to do a layer on top here and also on here so that the foam meets the foam and it'll be extra sealed. Oh, I'm sorry, it'll actually be on this side. And then that'll be a tighter seal. So it's a little bit thicker, and we're going to do 2 layers of it. We bought some glue, so we're going to just use the adhesive strip plus glue it down so it's extra sticky. A very good seal. And go fill up and test run the new watering system while Kev's in the backyard shooting the gun. It's not leaking on the outside. Oh, wait a minute. That's water. We are gonna have to redo this, unfortunately. Because this is slightly uphill. I don't think. Look, Karen, look.